It is a beautiful spring day here in Missouri. You know what that means. Don't need this anymore. And it's a good day to go diving. It's about 65 degrees here, and it's springtime. It's our first spring dive of the season. So that means we'll get about 2 weeks of diving in where it's either not raining or before it turns out to be 100 degrees temperature and 100% humidity. So better take advantage of it while we can. I headed out to Roubidoux Springs today to meet up with some buddies. Flows down, hopefully it's clear, we'll get some good video, but first gotta stop, get some breakfast at the Wally's. You know it, that's how we do it. All right, let's get going. So I don't know if I've ever gone over this before, but about a year ago they changed the check-in spot for Roubidoux Springs. So if you're coming to Waynesville to dive the spring, you have to check in now at the municipality center, and there's a door right there that's open 24/7. So no matter when you come, you know, Sunday or whatever, even if it says this building's closed on Google Maps, you can still get in and check in. Hey, there's my buddy! About time.
How you doing, right?
Doing good. Gonna check in?
You already checked in?
No, not yet.
All right.
So yeah, there's Richard. That's who I'm diving with today. I think Matt's coming later this afternoon with a student maybe for cavern class. So we should have a good little crowd down there today. But yeah, like I was saying, 24/7 you can check in, and also make sure to check out after your dive. You do need to bring your cert card and your photo ID. Other than that, it's a pretty easy process. Let's go get checked in and get down to the springs. Looks a lot better than a month ago when we were here. This looks nice. that was Roubidoux Springs. Hope you enjoyed it. And just like that, the rain starts. So hopefully we got our dives in before a storm's coming. Just so you know, always end your dive the same way you started it. Back at the municipality center. And make sure you check out, otherwise they're not happy. So always check out. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Later.